Zambia Airport Corporation Limited (ZSCL) was established in 1989 through the amendment of the Aviation Act Chapter 444 of the Laws of Zambia and was repealed and replaced by Aviation Act No. 5 of 2016. Therefore, with the mission to develop and manage airport and air navigation infrastructure and services to international standards, over 1,000 jobs were created since the upgrading of the airport, and more jobs will be created when the malls and hotels are in completion. Mwembe Skulu, who is Zambia Airport Corporation Communication and Brand Manager, updated the media at the airport today to when the airport will be in completion.
The ongoing work at Kenneth Kaunda International Airport is at a cost of $360 million United States dollars. The design and construction of airport infrastructure at KKIA was awarded to China Jiangxi Corporation for International Economic and Technical Cooperation. The current construction progress at Kenneth Kaunda International Airport is as follows. The new passenger terminal, also known as Terminal 2, is at 82%. The hotel is at 73%. The rescue and fire services station is at 98%. The air traffic control tower is at 86%. The presidential pavilion is at 81%. The cargo terminal is at 85%. The airport shopping mall is at 70%, and the airport office complex is at 65%. The overall completion of the projects at Kenneth Kaunda International Airport currently stand at 75%, and the scheduled completion dates is October 2019 for all of the projects that we have just mentioned.
And she further stated that the corporation's mandate is to develop, maintain and manage the 4 designated international airports, namely Kenneth Kaunda in Lusaka, Simon Mwanza-Kapwepwe in Ndola, Hari Mwanga Nkumbula in Livingstone and Mfue, and the provision of air navigation services within the Zambian space.
To upgrade the 4 international airports, namely Kenneth Kaunda, Simon Mwanza-Kapwepwe, Hari Mwanga Nkumbula and Mfue. These infrastructure development projects were embarked on to accommodate the anticipated increase in traffic, cargo volumes, and passenger numbers.
Reporting from Kenneth Kaunda International Airport, I'm Jason Puwala.